it, we do it anyway.
Exit dive,
And
Toyo
I
turd.
have this cognitive conflict. I am all for personal freedom, personal choice.
The quarterback that wins is the guy who gets himself.
Dude, I can't make the truck in front of me go any faster. Get off my ass. Yeah, drink your White Claw, wherever the hell that is.
White Claw sounds badass. I'll have one of those. The water for the lady. Tastes like watermelon. Took a piss.
One thing, the ability for us to organize the people across the globe about the most nichest things.
Ah, nice cutoff.
That has to shape your worldview. Like your community, your community's changed, and like your community affects. Agree with the caller on that. If you know, with the premise, right, that they knew about it. So I don't know. I don't know. I haven't seen the tools
really.
Used.
Yeah, nice cutoff, BMW.
I sigh, my hands on her back. But don't lie to me about Noj, she whines, struggling to stay in the car. Noj is the chef at Deck Chairs. Did you hear me? I stare at her dumbfounded, caught in the harsh lights hung above the ropes outside Nell's. I mean Fiddler, I finally admit meekly. I'm going to Fiddler's to score. You're impossible,
Wait,
she
what the
mutters,
fuck?
walking away from the limo. There
What are
is
you
something
doing,
seriously
dude?
wrong with you. I'll be back, I call out after her slamming the limo's door shut.
Taco Bell is an out-of-shape featherweight, squaring up to the heavyweight champion.
Don't stop
Sales
behind me.
fell 16% in the past 5.
All right, a brief explanation about this clip here. You see the white van attempting to make a U-turn right here. I've made a U-turns many times at this intersection, and basically if you stay to the left, you'll be fine. But this guy didn't know that, and he just sits in the middle of the intersection like an idiot. Really? Yeah. Hello? Yeah, everyone wants to screw up today. Yeah, get all the way into the lane, please. Thank you. And he does a asshole left behind me. See if that got on camera. Where'd I run? And a bunch on the outside too.
We've been talking a fair bit about polygamy, but at least if you're following,
Really?
Law & Order or popular TV, you see a lot of depictions of.
And they would have penis and testicles and produce sperm.
Left turn regret.
That don't have XY chromosomes and that don't produce sperm or have testicles.
Toyo turn.
What do you do with them?
Each edition fires up demand by giving fans a fresh reason to drop by.
Left turn regret up
while
there.
also broadening the chain's appeal to new customers. Yo quiero Taco Bell becomes a national catchphrase. The dog in the ads lands movie roles and appears on
Red light
Access
run.
Hollywood.
To that is that there are variations amongst people. A variation in a person, genetically, physically, psychologically, that variation does not change a classification. Some cars have 4 wheels, some cars have 6 wheels. We do not have a different classification for cars based on how many wheels it has. It's just a car or a vehicle or, however you
What's the classification for maleness? Let's just cut to that.
Right turn lane
You
dive.
Tell me all males are X, then we'll have a category.
Hi, Dr. John. Right off the bat, please know I'm a super nerd. And I've condensed
Red
this
light run, I
complicated
think.
issue.
When we say common, it doesn't mean that the majority of the Muslim world live this way. And that
Red
is
light run.
a good distinction to make, is 9.
Then came dinosaurs, right? In that order. And the cool
No
part
stop.
is there was a time when we had trees, but no
Prepare to fast
microbes
forward! Prepare to fast forward! Fast forward! Fast
fall
forward, sir!
over and
I didn't see it, but I hear that's the whole big reveal in the latest Jurassic Park, is that the dinosaurs
I don't think he stopped again.
oh, okay, yeah.
Why can't we work on us? And I was like, you can work on yourself for a little bit.
That was a no stop.
Huh?
I'm making commentary for my videos so my viewers will know what I'm looking at.
Oh, gotcha. I was like, that's a no stop. I was like, oh, yeah, that.
That had nothing to do with your conversation at all.
I was like, what the hell is no stop?
I mean,
I was like, what the fuck does that even mean? Like a no stop? What?
Okay, let me reiterate. You should definitely stop that relationship if she's gonna fuck around on you and whatever. Yeah.
All this, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah, let me give you 2 pieces of advice that I know from my years of experience with, and that's red light run from a Toyo turd. Red light run.
So you can think of it as 2 axes,
Come on.
a space axis and a time axis. And light moves along the space axis.
Oh, what the hell?
Okay. And if you are sitting there not moving at all, you move perfectly along the time axis. You can find other places in that chart.
Seriously, you gonna let everyone go? Nissan drivers. Nissan drivers.
After finding a seat, Els immediately removes the foil. His friend is horrified.
There was no stop.
No, what are you
BMW.
doing? Put the foil back on. But
14th Street. McDermott walks by Daisy and kisses her hand before hopping in the second cab. I'm left standing in front of the crying black woman, Daisy staring. She's wearing a lace-embroidered sweater and viscose crepe trousers by Christian Lacroix.
Dude, how close are you gonna get? Really? Okay, there you go. It's completely clear. You can pass me. Yeah, good. Good job. Thanks. Have fun, asshole.
Yeah, you know, like a band, I explained, sensing from her expression that I'm saying totally the wrong things. Oh, I
Yeah,
forgot.
way to pull
I did
out
see
right in front of
you
me.
too.
Yeah, take your time speeding up because, you know, it's not like we're in any hurry here. We're staring into the sun.
your mom has. Why does she have it? Because I gave her all my shit when I moved to your apartment.
Is that
I
it?
couldn't take anything.
I don't see a limo. It has to be one of those cars. He's in one of those cars. Has to be. That's so fucking cool.